Your question is, in which year was Prevention of Food Adulteration Act first enacted? Your options are A 1951, B 1954, C 1964 or D 1956. Right answer is B 1954. Your question is, all offences punishable under the Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955 are. Your options are A cognizable and non-bailable, B cognizable and summarily triable, C non-cognizable and bailable or D non-cognizable and compoundable. Right answer is B cognizable and summarily triable. Your question is, offences are tried under the Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955 by the courts of. Your options are A Session Court, B Judicial Magistrate First Class, C Judicial Magistrate Second Class or D Chief Judicial Magistrate. Right answer is B Judicial Magistrate First Class. Your question is, when the court, under Section 12 of the Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955, shall presume that the offences is committed on the ground of untouchability. Your options are A. When it relates to member of scheduled castes only, B. When it relates to member of scheduled tribes only, C. When it relates to members of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes both, or D. None of the above. Right answer is A. When it relates to member of scheduled castes only. Your question is, the Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955 extends to. Your options are A. Whole of India, B. Whole of India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir, C. Union Territories or D. Only the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Right answer is A. Whole of India. Your question is, if any person refuses admission to any person to any hospital, dispensary or educational institution on the ground of untouchability, then under which section of the Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955 he shall be punishable? Your options are A Section 4, B Section 5, C Section 6 or D Section 7. Right answer is B Section 5. Your question is, under which of the following sections of the Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955 has offences by companies been provided? Your options are A Section 10, B Section 12, C Section 14 or D Section 16. Right answer is C Section 14. Your question is, who is held responsible for the offences committed by companies under the Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955? Your options are A Director, B Manager, C Secretary or D all of the above. Right answer is D all of the above. Your question is, which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Your options are A Hindu Marriage Act 1955, B Hindu Succession Act 1956, C 73rd Constitutional Amendment Reservation of Seats for Women in the Election of Local Bodies in Urban Areas or D Sati Prevention Act 1987. Right answer is C 73rd Constitutional Amendment Reservation of Seats for Women in the Election of Local Bodies in Urban Areas. Your question is, all the punishable offences under the Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955 are. Your options are A cognizable and triable summarily, B cognizable and non-compoundable, C non-cognizable and bailable or D non-cognizable and compoundable. Right answer is A and B cognizable and triable summarily and cognizable and non-compoundable.